How to register a Bolt driver's account. To become a Bolt driver and start earning, simply follow these steps for registration. Open your web browser and simply type down Volt driver or Volt sign up in the search address bar. Then simply tap on the Volt again by the option shown in the web browser. Then navigate to the official website of Bolt. Now, choose your location to ensure you register in the correct region for operations. Then simply enter your full name, provide a valid phone number and email address. Also upload your driver's license and any other required documents. And enter your vehicle information such as make, model and year. Provide clear photos of your vehicle and required documents like insurance and registration. In some locations, you may need to attend an in-person training session or complete an online tutorial. Bolt will review your application and documents. Once approved, you will receive an email confirmation. Install the Bolt driver app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and log in with a registered email and start accepting rides. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.